Hello everyone. You all are most welcome in this History MCQ program where we will discuss about the objective questions for all competitive exams, and with this appeal that please first of all subscribe this channel and practice more and more, and share this video to all your friends so that they will get maximum benefit. Now we are going to start the History MCQ full practice set for IAS, PCS, NET, Group C, Army, Police, SSC, CGL, TET, B.Ed, LT, lecturers, other, and various competitive exams. It is more and more benefited for all competitive students. So we are going to start. The first question we are getting, when was the Battle of Khanwa happened? A. 1527 and B. 1526 and C. 1556 and D. 1529. 1527 A, right answer. Proceed. Between whom was the Battle of Khanwa fought? Akbar and Hemu, Babur and Rana Sanga, Babur and Jaychand, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. The right answer is Babur and Rana Sanga. Okay, proceed. What was the Gupta ruler called the silver coin? Rupaka, Panna. Right answer is Rupaka. Rupak. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate assumed the title of Ghazi? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Iltutmish, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Balban. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq is right answer. A. Who gave the slogan सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है? राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, इकबाल, भगत सिंह. राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, A is the right answer. Who was the ruler at the time of Chatur Buddhist Council, fourth Buddhist Council? A. Ashoka, B. Kalashok, C. Kanishk, D. Ajatasattu. Kanishk is the right answer. Kalashok, Ashok, Kanishk. Ajatasattu is the first, Kalashok is the second, and Ashok is the third, and Kanishk is fourth and last. In which year did Muhammad Ghori defeat Prithviraj Chauhan? 1192, 1195, 1194 and 1196. 1192 is the right answer. A. Who was the artist who made the peacock throne? A. Babad Khan, Ustad Ahmad Lahori, Isha Khan, Bhir Baki, Mir Baki, Bhir Baki. The real answer is Babad Khan. A is the right answer. What was the name of Gautam Buddha's father? Shuddhodhan, Alar Kalam, Prajapati. Shuddhodhan is the real answer. A. Which practice was abolished by Lord William Bentinck? Sati system, religious caste system. Sati system is the right answer. A. Who was the father of dual ruler in Bengal? Dwaith Shashan. Robert Clive, Ripon, Canning. Robert Clive A is the right answer. Which Mughal ruler allowed the British to open factories? Jahangir, Akbar, Humayun. Jahangir is the right answer. A. Who was the Governor General of India at the time of 1857 revolution? Canning, Lord Curzon, Bentinck. Canning is the right answer. A. Where is the tomb of Sher Shah Suri located? Sikandra, Sasaram, none of these. Sasaram is the right answer. B. Guru Ram Das was the spiritual teacher of which ruler? Tatya Tope, Shivaji, Shah Jahan, Sher Shah Suri. Shivaji is the truth. Right answer. B. Which ruler imposed jizya tax on Brahmins for the first time? Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Akbar. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Right answer. A. Samsuddin Qamar was the last ruler of which dynasty? Maurya dynasty, Slave dynasty, Pallav dynasty, Gupta dynasty. Slave dynasty. B. Truth. When did the Portuguese capture Goa? 1510, 1511, 1505 and 1150. 1510 is the right answer. Almeida was the first Governor General of Portuguese. Next, who abolished the Dastak system? Lord Hastings, Lord Wellesley, Lord Curzon, Lord Canning. Lord Hastings is the right answer. A. What is the age of Gopat Brahman? Samved, Yajurved, Rigved, Atharved. What is the Ved of Gopat Brahmin? The real answer is Atharved. Ved. Gopat Brahman is associated with Atharved. The right answer is D. Which ruler assumed the title of Shiladitya? A. Kanishk, B. Kumardat, C. Harshvardhan, D. Ashoka. Harshvardhan is also called Shiladitya. Which ruler built the temple of Khajuraho? Chandel, Gupta, Sung, Maurya. Chandel is the right answer. A. The prince of Mughal dynasty who was coronated twice. Aurangzeb, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Jahangir. Aurangzeb. A. Who founded the Adi Brahm Samaj? Devendranath Tagore, Swami Dayanand, Keshav Chand Sen, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Devendranath Tagore. A is the right answer. Who is called the Prince of Maniro? Muhammad Ghori, Muhammad bin Qasim, Iltutmish, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq is the Prince of Maniro. In what style is the Kailash temple of Ellora built? Visara style, Nagar style, Dravidian style, Panchayatan style. Dravidian style. C. Kailash temple. Mulraj I was the founder of which dynasty? Pallav, Solanki, Sung, Shat. Solanki dynasty. B is the right answer. Which is the tallest pillar of Ashok? 6th, 7th, 9th, 5th. 7th, B is the right answer. Who founded the city called Tughlaqabad? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. None of these. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. A. In which century was the religion of Islam founded? 7th, 5th, 6th, 8th. 7th century is the real answer. In which century was Buddhism founded? 6th BC, 7th BC, 8th BC, 9th BC. 6th BC. Who built the Jantar Mantar in Delhi? Maharana Pratap, Maharana Ranjit Singh, Maharaja Jai Singh Dvitiya, second, Savai Bhan Singh. The right answer is Maharaja Jai Singh II, who made the city Jaipur. Who is the author of the book called Natya Shastra? Kalidas, Bhavbhuti, Bharat Muni. The right answer is Bharat Muni, Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra. Who is called the father of world history? Herodotus, Aristotle. Herodotus is the right answer. What was the script of Harappan civilization? Dravidian script, abstract script, Brahma script, Kalakshar script. Abstract script B is the right answer. These all questions are already have been asked in many examinations, so that it is very important. So please pay attention upon these questions and practice more and more. This question set will be very beneficial for all kind of competitive student. So proceed. Where was Veer Shivaji born? Nashik, Panhal, Shivner Fort, Pune. Shivner Fort, C is the right answer. Who read the inscription of Ashoka for the first time? James Prinsep, Dayaram Sahni, Dalmi, Rakhaldas. James Prinsep is the right answer. A. Which inscription describes the victory of Kalinga War? 13, 12, 7, 6th. 13th. A is the right answer. Who was the ruler at the time of the 4th Buddhist Council? Ashoka. Already this question has been repeated. Before we have practiced such types of question, and the first was Kalashok. First was I already have been given you the chronology about the rulers at the time of Buddhist Council. Kalashok, uske baad after that Ashoka, and last one, 4th, is in Kundalwan. And now proceed. Next question. In which year did Muhammad Ghori defeat Prithviraj Chauhan? 1192, 1195, 1194, 1196. 1192 is the right answer. A. Who is the author of Kam Sutra? Rajshekhar, Kalhan, Vatsyayan, Shudrak. Vatsyayan is the right answer. Who was the author of the book Raj Tarangini? Kalhan, Bana Bhatt, Van Bhatt. Kalhan is the right answer for Raj Tarangini. Who is the author of the famous book called Satya Prakash? Dayanand Saraswati, Radha Krishnan, महात्मा गांधी, कलहन, दयानंद सरस्वती. Amir Khusro was the court poet of Ibrahim Lodi, Alauddin Khilji, Sikandar Lodi, Akbar. Alauddin Khilji is the right answer. When was the Gautam Buddha born? 516 BC, 563 BC, 540 BC, 545, 563 BC. When did Shak Samvat start? 78, 58, 75, 79. The first Sanvat is calendar is Vikram, and then Shak, and then Gupta. Who built the Mayur Takht? Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Shah Jahan, Babur. Shah Jahan is the right answer. C. Fahien came to India during the reign of which ruler? Samudragupta, Kanishk, Chandragupta Dvitiya, and Ashoka. Chandragupta Dvitiya. Fahien has come at the time of Chandragupta Dvitiya. During the reign of which ruler did Huno invade India? Hun. Samudragupta, Shrigupta, Askandagupta. Samudragupta, Shrigupta, Askandagupta. Askandagupta is the right answer. Hun has been attacked at the time of Askandagupta. Sarnath pillar belongs to which ruler? Chandragupta Pratham, Chandragupta first, Samudragupta, Ashok. Ashok is the real answer, right answer. C. Who is the founder of Satvahan dynasty? Pushpamitra, Kanishka, Shimuk, Harshvardhan. Simuk, Satvahan. Simuk is the right answer. C. How many places are there in Rigved? How many palace? कितने महल हैं? How many महल? मंडल, division. 8, 10, 15, 6. Right answer is 10. Which ruler of Pulkashin II was defeated? Kanishka, Ashoka, Harshvardhan, Jahangir. Harshvardhan. Who is known as the handsome fool? Shahriyar, Humayun, Rangila, Dara Shikoh. Shahriyar is the handsome fool. A. Shivaji's mother name was Mumtaz Begum, Mehru Nisa, Jijabai, Putlibai. Jijabai is the right answer. In which state Somnath temple is located? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat. D. Gujarat is the right answer. Who gave the initiation of Jainism to Chandragupta Maurya? Invitation of Jainism. Kalpanath. There are some mistakes in spelling, so don't pay attention on the mistake of spelling. Just understand the meaning of the sentences. Sometimes you will find that there are so many mistakes in examination, and these questions has been taken from various kind of competitive exam. So such types of mistakes happened in India. Who gave the invitation of Jainism to Chandragupta Maurya? Kalpanath, Sthul Bahu, and Bhadrabahu Jivak. Bhadrabahu is the right answer. C. The first Buddhist council was held 483 BC, 383 BC, 261 BC, 540 BC. 483 BC is the right answer. Who was the founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty? Rashtrakuta dynasty. Danti Durg, Simukh, Vishnu Singh, Vijayalaya. The right answer is Danti Durg, A. Who was the Magad Empire at the time of Third Buddhist Council? Ashoka, Ghananand, Shishunaga, Chandragupta Maurya. Right answer is Ashoka. Ashoka, A. Where was the second Jain council held? Vallabhi, Gujarat, Patliputra, Rajgiri. Vallabhi is the right answer, which is associated in Gujarat. Which person is called Bismarck of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Pandit Nehru, Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel is the right answer. D. Which battle was fought on the banks of river Prusni? Battle of Buxar, Battle of Panipat, Dasraj Yudh, Dasraj War, Chandawar battle. C. Dasraj War. It is the war associated with 10 kings. Who built the Jama Masjid of Agra? Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Jahanara, Roshan Ara. The right answer is Shah Jahan. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate made the first attempt to defeat South India? Sikandar Lodi, Behlul Lodi, Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji is the right answer. C. Angkor Wat temple is located at Iran, China, Cambodia, Malaysia. Cambodia is the right answer. Angkor Wat temple. And Tirthankar is related to which religion? Tirthankar. Jain, Buddhist, Parsi, Sikh. Jain. Jain, A is the right answer. In which year did Akbar announce Mazhar? 1563, 1579, 1564, and 1578. 1579 is the right answer. Mazhar by Akbar. Who was the first Muslim to study Purans? Balban, Iltutmish, Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni is the right answer. Al-Biruni first of all studied Purans. How many Vedants are there? 6, 5, 4, 8. 6. 6 is the right answer. There are 6 Vedants. Who was the author of Mahabharata? Valmiki, Maharshi Vedvyas, Muni Vashisht. Maharshi Vedvyas is the right answer. B. Who is known by the name of Vishnu Gupta? Chandragupta first, Chanakya. Chanakya is also known as Vishnu Gupta and has written Economy, Arthashastra. Kautilya. When did Al-Biruni come to India? Mahmud Ghaznavi, at the time of Mahmud Ghaznavi, Iltutmish, Qutbuddin Aibak, Muhammad Gauri. When did Al-Biruni come to India? At the time of Mahmud Ghaznavi. A is the right answer. Who destroyed the Chahalgami organization? 40. Associated with 40 Amir, 40 leaders. Balban, Iltutmish, Muhammad Ghori. Balban is the right answer. Who was the first president of All India Kisan Sabha? Swami Vivekanand, Swami Sahajanand, Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Sahajanand is the right answer. In which state is the Ellora cave located? Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Maharashtra is the right answer. Which is the what is the Indus Valley civilization? Copper Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age, Stone Age. Bronze Age is the right answer, and many times this question has been asked in IAS, PCS, Group C, Army, Police, and many examination, all kind of examination. The Dargah of Sufi Sant Salim Chishti is located at Agra, Fatehpur Sikri, Ajmer. Fatehpur Sikri. Who built Fatehpur Sikri? Jahangir, Babur, Shah Jahan, Akbar. See, Akbar is the right answer. Fatehpur Sikri. Sudarshan Lake in Junagadh was built by Humayun, Akbar, Chandragupta Maurya, Babur. Chandragupta Maurya, C is the right answer. The Pillar of Allahabad was written by Hari Sen, Pulke Sin II, Samudragupta, Ramgupta. Hari Sen has been written the Pillar of Allahabad. The founder of Ramakrishna Mission was Swami Dayanand, Ramakrishna Paramhans, Swami Vivekanand, Jyotiba Phule. स्वामी विवेकानंद रामकृष्ण परमहंस के फाउंडर हैं, फाउंडर ऑफ द रामकृष्ण मिशन. Which dynasty had a powerful navy? Gupta, Sunga, Pallava, Chola. The right answer is Chola, D. Chol dynasty. Who was the creator of present India? Jyotiba Phule, Swami Vivekanand, Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Vivekanand, B is the right answer. On which method was the Mughal army based? Raiyatwadi, Mansabdari, Mahalwadi, Zamindari. Mansabdari is the right answer. Who built the Char Minar? Quli Qutub Shah, Shah Jahan, Nizam Haidar. Quli Qutub Shah, A is the right answer. Where did Gautam Buddha died? Sarnath, Lumbini, Kushinagar. Kushinagar, C is the right answer. Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan, Sikandar Lodi, Akbar. Shah Jahan, A. Who was the originator of Gurmukhi script? Guru Angad, Guru Har Rai, Guru Arjun Dev. Guru Angad is the right answer. Where was the capital of Kalinga Mahajanpad? Ujjain, Toshali, Kannauj, Indraprasth. Toshali is the capital of Kalinga. In which language did Gautam Buddha preach? Prakrit, Sanskrit, Pali. Pali is the right answer. Whose real name was Gadadhar Chattopadhyay? Swami Vivekanand, Ramakrishna Mahans, Valmiki, Tilak. Ramakrishna Mahans. Ramakrishna Mahans. Who was the last Hindu ruler of Delhi? Hemchand Vikramaditya, Jayachand, Harshvardhan, Kanishk. Hemchand Vikramaditya, A is the right answer. Ali Akbar Khan is related to tabla, shehnai, flute, Srod. Srod, D is the right answer. When did Alexander invade India? 326 BC, 327 BC, 328 BC, 331 BC. 326 BC, A is the right answer. In which state is the Ellora cave located? Maharashtra. B. Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the right answer. Already this question has been repeated. What is the Indus Valley civilization? Tash Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age, Stone Age. Bronze Age. The Dargah of Sufi Sant Salim Chishti is located at Agra, Fatehpur Sikri, Delhi, Ajmer. Fatehpur Sikri. B. Who is considered the founder of Sufi sect in India? Pir Ali, Khaja Moinuddin Chishti, Makhdoom Chishti, none. Khaja Moinuddin Chishti. B is the right answer. Iltutmish belonged to which dynasty? Sunga, Tughlaq, Slave, Maurya. Slave is the right answer. C. What is the name of the holy book of Zoroastrianism? Zoroastrianism. Shrimad Bhagavad Gita, Rigved, Zend Avesta, Bible. Zend Avesta. What is the name of the place of worship of Parsi religion? Gurudwara, Fire Temple, Church. Fire Temple. They are worshipping fire. Who is the last Tirthankar of Jainism? Parsnath, Aristhnemi, Mahavir Swami, Rishabdev. Mahavir Swami. C is the right answer. Buddha's first word is called Mahabhinishkarman, Dharmachakra change and none. Dharmachakra Parvartan or Dharmachakra change. Right answer B. What is the name of the oldest Puran? Vishnu Puran, Matsya Puran, Loh Puran, Garuda Puran. Matsya Puran. B is the right answer. The scholar of policy Shakyamuni, the prince of travelers, who is called? Ban Bhatt, Huan Shang, Narvardhan. Huan Shang is the right answer. Scholars of policy, Shakyamuni, prince of travelers. Huan Shang. Which ruler started the Silk Road? Akbar, Shah Jahan, Ashok, Kanishka. Kanishk. D is the right answer. Whose court poet was the great poet Bana Bhatt? Ban Bhatt के great poet कौन थे? Whose court poet was the great poet Ban Bhatt? Harshvardhana, Ashoka. Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan's great poet is Ban Bhatt. Who is known as Einstein of India? Kalidas, Tulsidas, Nagarjun, Kumar Gupta. Nagarjun is the right answer. C. When was the Widow Remarriage Act passed? 1855, 1856, 1858, 1859. 1856. Which was the most influential state of South India after the Mauryas? Satvahana, Pallava, Rashtkut, Shung. Satvahana. A is the right answer. Who implemented the market control system? Akbar, Balban, Qutbuddin Aibak, Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji. D is the right answer. Who is the founder of Indian Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekanand, Keshav Chand Sen, Jyotiba Phule. Keshav Chand Sen, C. Diwane Kohi Agricultural Department was established by Akbar, Babur, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Diwane Kohi. C. By whom was the jizya tax imposed for the first time? Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Muhammad bin Qasim, Muhammad Shah. Rangila. Muhammad bin Qasim, C is the right answer. Vikram Samvat started 58 BC, 58 AD, 78 AD, 540 BC. 58 BC, A is the right answer. Vikram 58 BC and Shak 78 AD. And Gupta 319 AD. Who is the exponent of the principle of emptiness? Nagarjun, Newton, Einstein. Nagarjun. A. Who was the Kabir Das contemporary? Akbar, Babur, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi. Sikandar Lodi. C. Bhimbetka is famous for the rock painting of the caves, for the painting to dig cave, to make cave. For the rock painting of the cave. A. Where was the capital of Shivaji? Lahore, Raigarh, Amritsar, Pakistan. Raigarh. Where is Brihadeshwar temple located? Madurai, Tanjore, Udaipur, Mahabalipuram. Tanjore, Brihadeshwar temple. Who is the author of Ramcharitmanas? Valmiki, Tulsidas, Kalhan, Vishnu Sarma. Tulsidas is the right answer. Which ruler laid the foundation of the city of Delhi? Sher Shah Shuri, Shah Jahan, Anangpal Tomar. C is the right answer. Anangpal Tomar. Navratna lived in the court of which Mughal ruler? Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. Akbar, C is the right answer. Who prepared the background of Bhakti movement? Nimbakacharya, Ramanujacharya, Shankaracharya, Ramdas. Ramanujacharya. Where is the tomb of the great musician Tansen located? Kabul, Lahore, Sikandra, Gwalior. Gwalior is the right answer. B. Where is Meenakshi temple located? Puri, Patna, Madurai, Varanasi. Madurai. C. What was the official language of the Mughal period? Urdu, Hindi, Persian. Persian. C is the right answer. Deen-e-Ilahi religion was started by which ruler? Akbar, Babur, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Akbar. A. With which musical instrument is Bismillah Khan related? Flute, Srod, Shehnai, Tabla. Shehnai. C. Who is the author of the book Swapnavas Vadatta? Kalhan, Vishnu Sarma, Bhas. Bhas is the right answer. C. During which ruler was the first rupee coin introduced? Shah Jahan, Sher Shah Suri, Babur, Aurangzeb. Sher Shah Shuri. Rupee introduced. Gaikwad was the ruler of Vishakhapatnam, Bijnor, Surat, Baroda. Holkar, Indore, Gaikwad Baroda, Sindhya Gwalior. Such types of question always asked in examination. So you have to remember these things, which person and which dynasty is associated with which city. Who built the Moti Masjid in Delhi's Red Fort? Shah Jahan, Babur, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Aurangzeb D. Who was the creator of Gayatri Mantra? Vishwamitra, Rishi Anjira, Ved Vyas, Valmiki. Vishwamitra is the creator of Gayatri Mantra. A. Where was the capital of Kanishka? Puruspur, Kannauj or Rajgarh? Kannauj is the right answer, is the capital of Kanishka. What is the name of main door of Qutub Minar? Alai Darwaja, Aksai Darwaja, Buland Darwaza, Siri Darwaja. Right answer is Alai Darwaza A. Who is the author of Ratnavali? Kanishka, Harsvardhan, Banbhat, Vishnu Sharma. Harsvardhan is the author of Ratnavali. He is the author of 3 books. B is the right answer. Which ruler built Mahabalipuram? Pallava, Chol, Sekret, Sung. Pallav A. Where was the Sant Kabir born? Varanasi, Haridwar, Kashi, Ajmer. Near Haridwar. Actually, this question has been asked in an examination. It is actually near Varanasi. Near Varanasi. Sant Kabir born in near Varanasi. A is the right answer. This is asked. Which is the oldest peeth of Vidya? Nalanda, Takshila, Vikramashila, Ujjain. Takshila. B. What were the symbol of 1857 freedom struggle? Lotus and bread, moon and star, earring and sickle, rose and bread. Lotus and bread, Kamala or Roti. A is the right answer. Bukafela was the name of the horse of which ruler? Akbar, Sikandar, Muhammad Ghaznavi, Babur. Sikandar means Alexander is the right answer. B. Whose wife name was Yashodhara? Mahavir Swami, Rishabdev, Parsvanath and Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha wife name was Yashodhara. Ajmer was the capital of which ruler? Sikandar Lodi, Prithviraj Chauhan, Ibrahim Lodi. Prithviraj Chauhan. Who was the founder of Vikramshila Vishwavidyalaya? Jahangir, Kumar Gupta, Devpal, Dharmpal. Dharmpal. D is the right answer. He is the founder of Pal dynasty. What was the original name of the great musician Tansen? Mahesh Das, Ramesh Chandra, Ramtanu Pandey, Gopal Das. सही आंसर है रामतनु पांडे इज द राइट आंसर. सी. हु इनिशिएटेड द फर्स्ट रेवेन्यू रिफॉर्म्स? अकबर, इल्तुतमिश, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. सी. व्हेन वाज द ट्रीटी ऑफ सलबई? 1882, 1883, 1782, 1784. 1782. C is the right answer. Who was the new guru of Sikh? Guru Nanak, Guru Tegh Bahadur. 9th Guru of Sikh, Guru Tegh Bahadur, Guru Arjan Dev. The right answer is Guru Tegh Bahadur. Who was the revenue minister of Akbar? Birbal, Jaimal or Bairam Khan? Bairam Khan is the right answer. C. What is the number of Upanishads? 106, 108, 110, 115. 108 is the right answer for Upanishad. In which university did the Chinese travellers Fahian study? Traveller Fahian came for study Nalanda, Allahabad, Delhi. Nalanda University. The Battle of Kannauj was fought between which two rulers? Akbar and Sher Shah, Babur and Sher Shah, Shah Jahan and Sher Shah, Humayun and Sher Shah. Humayun and Sher Shah. D. Who was the Akbar's teacher? Mir Abdul Latif, Mir Baqi, Muhammad